NCERT is creating a classroom module on Operation Sindoor to educate students about India's defense strategy and diplomatic actions. The module will highlight India's strategic military response to the Pahalgam terror attack. It is being developed at a time when a parliamentary discussion on Operation Sindoor is also scheduled. The module is aimed at helping students understand how nations respond to terror threats and how defense, diplomacy and coordination between ministries play a role in national security. The module is nearly complete and expected to be released soon. Unlike regular textbooks, this will be a standalone case study. As per sources, the module is currently being developed only for higher secondary classes, but NCERT may later adapt the content for middle school students as well.
समझो सारी चीज़ें आर्यभट्ट से लेकर अभी तक जो हमारे पुराने शास्त्रों में जो चीज़ें वर्णित है, आज भी वर्णित है, उन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में जानना चाहिए। अगर हम पुष्पक विमान की बात करें तो वो भी हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। मैंने कहा बहुत सारी साइंटिफिक बातें जो परिकल्पना भी है, उन सारी चीज़ों को समाहित होनी चाहिए। लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ किसी कालखंड में कुछ ऐसी बातें हुई हैं जिसका एक नकारात्मक प्रभाव बनता है, तो उन चीज़ों को त्यागना चाहिए और सकारात्मक बातों को लेकर हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
You see, this Operation Sindoor is the testimony of the bravery and the valor of our armed forces, three wings of armed forces. So obviously, our children should know about it in their curriculum, and I believe that will also inspire them to participate, to join Indian armed forces in their future life.